Good morning, students. Today I will teach class 8th, chapter 8, that is cell, its structure and function. As we know, we are dealing with different types of things which are living as well as non-living. So, all the living organism has to perform different basic functions like walking, running, respiration, breathing, etc. So these different basic functions are to be performed by different organs. So the different set of organs perform different function. So here the basic structural unit of an organ is called cell. So cells are just comparable with the bricks, as to form a building the basic structural units are bricks. Similarly, to make a human body or make the living organisms, cells are the basic unit. Next is discovery of the cell. In 1665, Robert Hooke observed the slice of cork. Cork is obtained from the bark of the tree. So this thin slice of cork is observed under the microscope. He compared the cell structure or the cork with the different types of partitioned boxes or compartment. As you see, a wall is made up of number of bricks, and each brick is partitioned with the wall. So here he compared the cells in the cork with the bricks. So cells in the cork were actually dead cells, but the cells of living organism and its function and its real structure is given after the 150 years, when the improved microscope is discovered. So high magnification microscope is helpful in knowing about the cell structure and the function of the parts of the cell. The cell. So the basic structural unit of the living organism is called cells. So it has different design, different shapes and different sizes. In the living bird, organisms are different from one another, but all are made up of cells. So cell in the living organisms are complex living structure, unlike non-living bricks. As you know, bricks have very simple structure, but the cells of living organisms are very different or very complex structure. They are very different in size, design and shapes. So hen's eggs can be seen. So it is a cell or group of cells? It is a cell. So here you can see the brick wall or the onion peel. So here the representation of the cell take place. As you see, each brick is partitioned by a wall, a partition wall. Similarly here the each cell is parted. So we can say that similarly cells in our body are parted. So eggs of a hen represent a cell, single cell. So it is the cell which is easily seen by eye. Organisms show variety in cell number, shape and size. As already told you, cells are of different shapes, different size or different designs. So there are millions of living organisms. They are different shapes and different size. Their organs also vary in shape, size and number of cells. So different organs are of different shape. So their size is also different. Their shape is also different. Their number is also different. So that's why the organs also seen different. So organs have different cells, that's why they are seen different. Next is number of cells. So number of cells in a tree or a huge animals are different. So the number runs into billions and trillions. So human body has trillions of cells which vary in shapes and size. So Here the point is noted, the cells are not in a thousand number, but they are in millions or trillions number. As the human body is bigger in size, so that's why it is made up of trillions of cells. So different group of cells perform different variety of function. So here you can note, it is your general knowledge question. A billion is 1,000 million. A trillion is 1,000 billion. So 1 billion is 1,000 million. Trillion is 1,000 billion. So next is, so organism made up of more than one cell are called multicellular organism. So here the point is noted, multicellular. So multi means many, cellular means cell. So organism which has many cells are called multicellular organisms. The number of cells being less in smaller organism does not in any way affect the functioning of organism. For example, if the organism has less number of cells, it doesn't mean it does not perform any function. So functioning of these cells, the functioning of the organism is same that of the other organism in spite of the less number of cells. So organism with billions of cell begins life as single cell. So firstly the organism starts their life from a single cell. As a human being, we start from the single cell. That the cell is fertilized, then the fertilized egg cell multiplies and the number of cells increases and the development proceed. Next is the unicellular organism. Uni means one, cellular means cell. The organism which have only one cell. So previously we studied multicellular. The organism which have many cells are multicellular organism. The organism which has only one cell is called unicellular organism. Here you can see amoeba and paramecium. The examples are amoeba and paramecium. These are the single cell organism, which means unicellular organism. So here you can see the diagram of amoeba and paramecium. So next is a single cell organism perform all the functions as multicellular organism perform. As I already told you, the single cell organism amoeba capture the food, digest the food, respires, excretes, grow and reproduce. Similarly, multicellular organisms have specialized cell which form the different tissue. So the group of cell is called tissue. So tissue perform a particular function. So then the number of tissues join to form the organs. But in the single cell organism, that single cell performs all the activities as the multicellular organism perform the activities in the organ form. Next is shape of cell. So different cells has different shape, but the amoeba has no definite shape. Unlike other organism, it keep changing its shape. So these are called pseudopodia. So pseudo means false, podia means feet. So these projections appear and disappear as amoeba moves and feeds. So we can say that pseudopodia is fall foot movement. So amoeba has no definite shape. So we can say that amoeba cells has no shape. So here, but the other cells change in the shape is due to the formation of pseudopodia, which facilitate movement and help in capturing of food. What does it mean? The amoeba is like an organism which changes its shape due to the capturing of food, egestion of food, and the movement of the body. So here WBC, the white blood cells in a human bird is an example of single cell. They can also change its shape. So WBC amoeba is full-fledged organism having independent existence. So different cells have different shapes and having different functions. So cells are round, spherical, elongated. Some cells are long, pointed at both sides and a spindle shape. So cells sometimes are long, so branch like nerve cell or neurons. So we can see here the different types of cell is this spiral, elongated, cylindrical, spindle. So here the nerve cell is the longest cell. This have the long branch structure. So nerve cells receive and transfer the messages and convey to the other parts. It help in the control and coordinate the working of different part of the body. As we touch a hot utensils, we kept away our hand from that. So it means it coordinate our brain to the hand. So which help us to do instant actions. So, component of the cell enclosed in the membrane. So, cell has different components which are enclosed in a membrane that is called cell wall. So, cell wall is or cell membrane provide the shape to the cell, but this it give the shape and rigidity to these cells. Next is size of cells. So size of cells in living organism may be as small as millionth of meter. So it is very small, or be as large as few centimeters. So we can see the cells have microscopic in size. They are not visible with aided eye. So they need a magnifying microscope. The smaller cell is size 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer, that is in bacteria. The larger cells measuring is 170 millimeter to 130 millimeter is the egg of an ostrich. It is the largest cell. So smaller cell is found in bacteria. The size of cells has no relation with the size of body. So here you can see the question, are the cells in an elephant is larger than size cells in rat? So here the answer is there is a no relation with the size of body of the animal or the plant with the size of the cell. So here elephant be much bigger than those in rat. The size of cell is related to the function. So nerve cell both in elephant and rat are long and branch. So they perform the same function. So we can say that the rat is smaller in size, elephant is bigger in size, but the size of the nerve cell in both the cells is same. Cell structure and function. So the digestive organ which together constitute the digestive system. So each organ perform different functions such as digestion, assimilation and absorption. So different organ perform different specialized function. So root help in the absorption of water and minerals, leaves help in synthesis of food. So each organ made up of smaller part called tissue, but the tissue is formed from the single cells performing the specific function. So we can say that organ is made up of tissue, tissue is made up of the cell. So cell is the basic structural unit in the living organism. So here we just introduce about the cells, its shape, its size, its function, and how it is formed and how it is discovered. So in previous lecture, in next lecture, we will study about the component of the cells. The cells contain different cell organelles and different cell parts. So in previous lecture, we will study about the parts of the cell. So till here, thank you.